How you can set your AirTag to factory settings to connect it again with the iPhone, you will find out in today's video. So stay tuned. Your AirTag no longer works properly or you want to sell it, then it is recommended to set it to factory settings, to reset it, and that is very, very easy. For me, for example, it no longer worked properly. Sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't. So I decided to reset it, and I'll show you in today's video how easy it all works. All we have to do is take the lid off. We do this by pressing on it and pressing against the watch face with both fingers. Then it should open, and we have already opened it. And now we only have to take out the battery 5 more times and put it back in. So once. A second time. We hear the sound every time. Then we can take it out. A third time. Now a fourth time. A fifth time. And we keep them pressed now. And now we hear the signal tone. This means that we have our AirTag reset and can screw the lid back on. If you have questions about this instruction, then use the comment function. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.